was at the second construction meeting that we realized about the asbestos in the stucco. And Centra and our engineering firm, from that point on, we're working very hard to figure out a way to handle it, a very costly piece of the project, and a tricky one because it wasn't just taking off the stucco in the east and west walls, it was now making individual detailed cuts all along the balconies and enclosures. Pretty comfortable from the beginning with Centra in how they dealt with the problem, and they checked into what other companies could do if it could be subcontracted. And they found that the most economical way was for them to train up their forces to handle the project themselves. And in that way we were able to complete the project within our budget. We were very pleased with how they protected us in terms of sealing the interior so that there was no doubt that there was nothing that we were exposed to. And so they taking the time and the expense to do all of that was very conscientious on their part. I think that cooperation is essential. We couldn't have done the project without a good engineering firm and a good construction company. And they communicated well. Andrew was always really receptive to the engineers and the standards they were setting for all of the work. I watched very carefully, and everybody was suited up. All the fans were running properly. They had a company monitoring the testing of air quality both inside, outside, and in our suites. So we felt completely comfortable that everything was being handled safely. It was a project that involved all of us, the cooperation of everybody. We had an excellent committee working on it. The meetings with the engineers and with Andrew were good. Communication to each owner throughout the project was key for us understanding and being interested in how things went. And now that it's completed, we're looking forward to getting the garden back into shape and enjoying our new enclosures and balconies.